Bells Overseas, the sound of your future.
Hello everyone, this side Pankhudi from Bell. So today I'm going to give you a prediction for your upcoming exam that is on 10th September. What will be there in reading and what will be there in listening, I will discuss in detail in this video. तो हाँ, आज हम बात करते हैं रीडिंग के ऊपर. जो रीडिंग आएगी वो मॉडरेट लेवल की आएगी, ना ज़्यादा इजी और ना ज़्यादा टफ. हाँ, ज़रूर प्रैक्टिस करना दो चीज़ें जो है मैच द हेडिंग, विच पैरा कंटेन्स इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड यस, true, false, not given also. These three types of questions are very important and there are high chances that you will get to see these type question in your exam. Now coming to word next, that is listening. Listening will be between easy to moderate. There will be some question that will be tricky or 2 words or 3 words, but rest listening will be quite easy. Do practice MCQs and map because you will be seeing these types of question in your examination. In task, you will get to see graph with trend or comparative graph. It can be pie chart, it can be bar graph, it can be line graph. So be prepared with these types of question. In task 2, you will get to see discussion essay or opinion essay. So do prepare that. And if you want to check your level, where do you stand or on what area you should work, so do practice Cambridge 11 to Cambridge 17. It will tell you about your actual scores or on which area you have to work on. So please do those readings, listening in Cambridge 11 to Cambridge 17. Bye everyone. Take care. Hope this prediction will find you helpful. All the best for those who are planning to give their exam on 10th of September. Bye bye.